These are the Natural Lash Clusters Kit DIY. It's a lash extension kit with wispy eyelashes. They are thick curly and they come in a kit of 9 to 12 millimeters. In this case, they come with a whole kit, so it has a bond that you apply first, like if it was regular mascara. I like to do it in sections, that way the glue doesn't really dry by the time that I'm ready to put the eyelash. So in this case, you just utilize this tool to stick them together to your eyelashes, and then you just decide what kind of length do you want to utilize. In this case, I wanted a look that is very natural, so I like to start from um, not from the part that is closer to the nose, but the other side. That way I feel like I have more control. So as you can see over here, I just decided to do it in sections. That way it's ready to go when I'm ready to put the lash that I need based on the length. In this case, this tool is very helpful because it helps you glue all the lashes, the fake lashes with your lashes. And as you can see, it's fairly easy to do. Needs a little bit of practice, but honestly, nothing crazy. So I love the way that these lashes look. They really help open the eye. So the only thing that I struggle a little bit with is just the glue at the end, but you just clean it up and it's not a big deal, very easy to remove. And then the last step is to seal them. You have this seal that also comes in the kit, and then you just put it like you're looking over here all over your lashes, so that way is the extra way to make sure that they're gonna stay where they are. And then this is the final look in both eyes. As you can see, they open the eyes a lot more. You look like as you're put all together, and they look very natural without any effort. So there